And tonight at 5, we're hearing from the man accused of robbing and shooting a gas station clerk earlier this week.
Now, the man, you'll see him here in exclusive video surrendering to police, appeared in court today to learn more about the attempted murder charges against him. Terrance Harris surrendered after his mother identified him from surveillance photos of the crime. Our crime bureau reporter Steve Jefferson is on the northeast side Speedway tonight where that crime occurred. Steve?
Yeah, John and Scott, prosecutors have outlined as much as possible what they believe happened here at the Speedway that left the 24-year-old store clerk shot in the face and the stomach. The man accused of shooting him went to court today to formally hear those charges. As Marion County deputies escorted Speedway shooting suspect Terrance Harris back to jail, he made it clear he had only a few things to say.
Man, this is what I'm going to say, man. That everybody that don't know what's going on need to quit mentioning and talking on what they don't know, man, especially my family.
But his family, seen here outside the courtroom, say they, just like police, are trying to understand the shooting. Around 1 a.m. Monday, Metro detectives identify Harris in these store security photos. They show a gunman pointing his weapon at 24-year-old store clerk Kyle Fry after bringing nachos to the counter. In court documents, a witness told police he saw the suspect walking around the store and acting weirdly, and later asked if the nacho cheese was fire. Police say minutes later, Harris shot Fry in the face and stomach, grabbed the nachos, and left the store. Harris's mother and his cousin believe he was not in his right mind, but wanted to be at his initial hearing.
He's a good kid, man. He was a good kid. He didn't. It's not something he would normally do.
He wasn't himself. You can tell that he was on something. What I don't know, but he was on something. He wasn't his normal self. He was out of his mind.
Harris's family say they are praying that the injured store clerk recovers. His mother says this case is a warning to young people about violence.
I just say let this be a wake-up call for all young men. They need to get your life together, get it together, because they need to put the guns down and pick up some books.
In court today, the judge entered a preliminary not guilty plea for Harris. He's being held without bond on charges for robbery causing serious bodily injury and attempted murder. John, his family plans to go to court, be in the courtroom when he has his next court appearance. Back to you, John.